when I hear what we call music.
Heart attack usually the end of the line for
I'm interested in the sounds that people don't want.
Y eso es lo que me interesó, y cuando llegué a mi casa pues comencé a escribirlo. Comencé a escribirlo.
We have to declare holy war against what we see every single day on television, commercials, and I think there should be real war against commercials, real war against talk shows, real war against Bonanza and Rawhide or all these things.
So much bass. I see it more full of obscenity. It's just, and nature here is vile and base. I wouldn't see anything erotical here. I would see fornication
And I love the activity of sound. What it does is it gets louder and quieter, and it gets higher and lower, and it gets longer and shorter. It does all those things which I'm completely satisfied with that. I don't need sound to talk to me.